ALCATEL OneTouch Idol 2S, and let me show you how to set up date and time. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then go to the settings, scroll down the menu and select date and time. And now you can pick either automatic date and time, so your device will set it automatically, or you can disable these options and set date and time manually. You can also select time zone by yourself, and also you can change the clock format from 24-hour format to 12-hour format. And you can also change date format accordingly to your preferences and needs. For example, let's pick this one. And actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.